Objectives. Objective number 1. To determine if weather modification is applicable in the Philippines. Objective number 2. To determine the facts and issues of weather modification in the Philippines. Objective number 3. To determine if weather modification has an impact on the environment. The Philippines, officially known as the Republic of the Philippines, is a sovereign island country in Southeast Asia situated in the western Pacific Ocean. Most of the mountainous islands are covered in tropical rainforest and volcanic in origin. There are 3 seasons: the hot dry season or summer from March to May, the rainy season from June to November, and the cool dry season from December to February. Before we begin, let's discuss first, what is weather modification? Weather modification is the act of intentionally manipulating or altering the weather. The most common form of weather modification is cloud seeding to increase rain or snow, usually for the purpose of increasing the local water supply. Question: is it possible for humans to change or control the weather? As we said earlier, that one of the common form used for altering the weather is cloud seeding. Cloud seeding, a form of weather modification, is the attempt to change the amount or type of precipitation that falls from clouds, by dispersing substances into the air that serve as cloud condensation or ice nuclei, which alter the microphysical processes within the cloud. The most common chemicals used for cloud seeding include silver iodide, potassium iodide and dry ice, solid carbon dioxide. Liquid propane, which expands into a gas, has also been used. This can produce ice crystals at higher temperatures than silver iodide. Now, let's determine first if weather modification has an impact in the environment. With an NFPA 704 health hazard rating of 2, silver iodide can cause temporary incapacitation or possible residual injury to humans and mammals with intense or continued but not chronic exposure. The toxicity of silver and silver compounds from silver iodide was shown to be of low order in some studies.
However, there have been several detailed, ecological studies that showed negligible environmental and health impacts.
But, remember, too much use of silver iodide can cause a disruption to the biogeochemical cycle, especially the hydrological cycle. Disruption of biogeochemical cycle, which may result to greenhouse effect. Weather modification can also result to extreme weather condition. Now, let's go back again to the first objective. Do you think weather modification is applicable in the Philippines? Now, have you already decided to choose which side are you in? Even though the Philippines is a tropical rainforest ecosystem type, still there are a few recommendations that are better than cloud seeding. Remember, heroes don't destroy the planet to make it look good. They save it.